So let's talk about XRP. XRP has done what we have been talking about, or what we have been scared of. It has gone up and hit the area of all-time high. Of course, my target was $3.5. That is what I told you. I told you that my interest is not in 3.4. The all-time high, I told you, if it is going to go up and break above the area of $3, then pretty much you should assume it is going to go after 3.5. Because if you're going that high, then why not go to 3.5 as well? And as you can see, it has gone all the way up towards the area of 3.6. It's 3.66, and right now it's sitting at 3.49. That is its current price. It did a 3.66. It is 66, yeah. And that is pretty much it. $3.5 was an area of interest that we had for XRP. It has gone up and hit that. Now the question is that, are we going to close 2 daily candles above it or not? Because if we are not closing 2 daily candles above it, it shows a bit of weakness. Then we would expect XRP to tumble back down towards the area of $3. It's not that dramatic. I think that after a very long time, XRP has overdid by 0.2. So the previous high was 3.4, now it's 3.6. It's 3.66, so it's a 0.266 extra over delivery that XRP has done. But overall, I think it's really great. If it is not able to stabilize above 3.5, which is not the case scenario at the moment as we look at it, then I would expect that, okay, XRP is actually going to go and retest $3. This is your $3 area. Sorry, that's my cat here. This is your $3 area. It has this big dildo above it, but we have not tested it after the breakout. So when something goes up like this and it is not testing an important area, and $3 is a psychological area as well, you know, you can see at the time of breakout it did test it. It tested it, it failed, then tried, and then again this attempt, it broke out of it and then started going up. So it didn't come back to test whether this support holds or not. And I think that it is only reasonable for XRP to come down all the way towards $3 and test it. But that's the short-term perspective. Let's talk about the long-term. Where the hell can XRP go if it stabilizes above $3.5? I think you can pretty much aim for 4.3. I'll go, I mean, that is going to be a discovery area. So it is pretty much of a guesswork. This is something that you are going to rely on Fibonacci. 3.5 was easy for me because if we talk about 3.5, that was easy peasy. Psychologically, it made sense and from all perspectives. But 4.33, this is more of a fib target. And for that, of course, we wanted to stabilize above 3.5. If it is going to stabilize above 3.5, you should expect it to be on a journey towards 4.3. If it fails with 3.5, then it will go towards $3. And right now it's at 3.49. So this is the moment of truth. If you don't see it living above 3.5, you should prepare for the downward journey towards $3. And that's everything with XRP. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.